The ICEVI, the Nippon Foundation Mathematics Package for Teachers video series, Abacus as a Mathematical Tool. Title of the video, Multiplication of Decimal Numbers, example 6.6 multiplied by 7.7. Here we have to convert the decimal numbers into whole numbers. So 6.6 becomes 66 and 7.7 becomes 77. The multiplied value of the two decimal numbers will involve whole number and decimal parts. The number of digits in the decimal part will be 2, as the number 6.6 has one decimal digit and the number 7.7 also has one decimal digit. Therefore, two decimal digits in the result should be earmarked for the decimal portion. Let us now treat the two numbers as whole numbers and multiply 66 with 77. Let us set the number 66, which is the multiplier, in the extreme left of the abacus. As there are two digits in 66, which is the multiplier, and two digits in the multiplicand, we add them and also add one column for the abacus calculation and set the number 77 from the 10,000s column. That means the digit 7 is set in the 10,000s column, followed by the next digit 7 in the thousands column. Here both the digits of the multiplier are same digits, and same is the case in the multiplicand also. For clarity, the child should be told that the unit digit of the multiplicand is to be multiplied with the tens digit 6 of the multiplier. Let us start the multiplication process now. We start with the multiplication of 7 with 6, which gives 42. Let us set 4 to the right of the number 7, followed by 2 in the tens column. Then we have to multiply 7 with the units digit 6 of the multiplier, which gives 42. We have to add 4 in the tens column and 2 in the units column. As we cannot do direct addition of 4 there, we have to add 5 in the upper abacus and clear 1 in the lower abacus in the tens column. Then we add 2 in the units column. As the multiplication of the unit digit 7 of the multiplicand with the multiplier 66 is over, let us clear that 7 from the abacus. Now we are left with the tens digit 7, which should be multiplied with the multiplier 66. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42, of which 4 should be added to the immediate right of the 7. The 2 should be added in the hundreds column. For this, we have to add 5 in the upper abacus and clear 3 in the lower abacus. Now we move on to the multiplication of 7 with the unit digit 6 of the multiplier 66, which gives 42. Here 4 should be added in the hundreds column and 2 in the tens column. We cannot add 4 directly in the hundreds column, and therefore we have to add 1 in the thousands column. For doing this, we have to move the only bead of the upper abacus towards the separation bar. That means we have added 5 instead of 1, and therefore 4 should be cleared from the thousands column. The process is not over yet. We have added 10 in the place of 4, and therefore the complement 6 should be cleared from the hundreds column. Then we have to add the number 2 in the tens column. Now that the multiplication is over, we clear the number 7 from the abacus and we get the result as 5082. As the multiplier and the multiplicand have a total of 2 decimal digits, 2 digits from the right of the result number should be earmarked for the decimal portion, and therefore the result is 50.82.